This week's Torah reading is that of the Seder of Noach. The Seder of Noach has two great historic moments that have lived on ever since. First, the story of Noach and the flood. I am going to be discussing that in my sermon this Shabbos. But the Torah portion ends with the story of the Tower of Babel, and I want to focus on that because that story reminds us why John Lennon was wrong. John Lennon is an iconic figure. His most famous song is entitled Imagine. According to Rolling Stone magazine, that is the third greatest song of all time, behind Bob Dylan's Like a Rolling Stone and the Rolling Stones' I Can't Get No Satisfaction. Be that as it may, Imagine speaks of a world in which there's no hell below us, above us only sky. Imagine there's no countries, it isn't hard to do, no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You have no idea how many young people have brought into this idea that most of the world's problems come from making distinctions between people, whether it's because of color or gender or tribe or nationality or religion. So just imagine what the world would be if we were all thinking the same. That's what the people of the Tower of Babel thought would make for a good world. And so the Torah tells us, and the Lord said, the people is one, and they have all one language, and the whole earth was of one language and of one speech. They all spoke the same. They were all told to think the same. Imagine what that would be like. I can tell you what that would be like. Hitler taught us that, and Stalin taught us that, and Pol Pot taught us that, and Mao taught us that. The beauty of this world is that we don't talk the same and think the same. That's what makes the world go round. Imagine that. Shabbat Shalom.